Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to talk about the Warp car charger from OnePlus. So Warp charging is the new charging mechanism which is a 30 watt charging which was announced with the OnePlus 60 McLaren edition, and this has 30 watt charging. This is 5 volt 6 ampere charging. So now Warp charging is available on the OnePlus 7 Pro as well as OnePlus 60 McLaren edition. The traditional charger which comes bundled with the box package of OnePlus 7 Pro also comes with Warp charger. But now OnePlus has launched a new car charger which has support for Warp charging. That means if you own an McLaren edition or the OnePlus 7 Pro and you want to charge the device fastly on inside the car, we have the car charger which has support for Warp charging. So this is the box package. So you can see that it has a really good design to it, Warp charging, and OnePlus Warp Charge 30 car charger. That's the name of this charger. So the back of the box mentions the product name OnePlus Warp Charge 30 car charger. Graphite is the color variant, and input is 12 volt 4.5 ampere, and output is Warp charging. That's maximum is 5 volt 6 ampere. That's 30 watt. That will be supported only with the devices which have support for Warp charging, and regular devices gets the standard 5 volt 2 ampere. That's 10 watt charging, and that's the device. So this car charger is priced 1990 in India. That's around 2000 rupees. So we're going to do the unboxing of this car charger. We'll just open up the box and we'll just show you what all comes inside this package. So you can see this is the Warp car charger. So it looks really nice. It's made of metal construction. We have the graphite color, and the never settle branding is also included. So you can see that it comes with a car cable also included. So this has the standard charging cable, the OnePlus charging cable, and there is a user manual also included. And finally we have the actual Warp car charger. So we'll just talk about this. So this is the car charger. Looks really nice. You can see that Warp charging mentioned. This is made of metal, and you can see that the finishing looks really great. So this is the port, and we have all the details mentioned here. Again, OnePlus car charger, and this is how it looks. So it's extremely well built car charger and looks really nice. So we'll just test this inside the car with our OnePlus device. So now we have inserted the car charger into our car which has this car charging port. Now we also have the McLaren edition of the OnePlus 60. So we're going to charge this with the OnePlus 60. So we have also the official cables. So you can see that as soon as I insert this, you can see that there is a red light which glows inside, which indicates that the charging is in action. So we'll just plug this into the car charger, and then we'll start the charging of a OnePlus device. So it actually looks really nice in terms of the build quality, fit and finish, and you can see that it has a really good finish to it. And now you can see that OnePlus device is getting charged with the Warp charging. So Warp charging has 30 watt charging only for OnePlus devices, that is the OnePlus 60 McLaren edition and the OnePlus 7 Pro, and other devices will get the standard 10 watt charging. That's 5 volt 2 ampere charging. But if you have the OnePlus device, you can use this Warp charger inside the car, and this will get you really great speeds. And this will get you the same speeds as that of the regular adapter, the wall charger which you get with the box package. So both are 30 watt charging for OnePlus devices. So that's all guys. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.